Blank reaction when ester react with sodium and alcohol to keep primary alcohol mechanism. Here, this catalyst will as written as sodium plus alcohol e raised to C2H5O negative Ne positive with hydrogen and electron. Here hydrogen and electron will take place as an important role for its mechanism. Let us see its mechanism. When ester can react with an electron. Here when electron attack the carbon or sorry oxygen, the bond between the double bond, here one bond breaks and the free radical separates and it looks like this. On O free radical, carbon C radical, OR dash, which I can react with H plus. So we will react with oxygen. So R bond C, bond O bond H, free radical in carbon, bond OR dash, which I can react with electron. Here now the carbon will react R bond C, bond O bond H, negative charge, bond OR dash, which I can react with hydrogen, carbon, bond C, bond O bond H, bond H, bond OR dash. So here the bond between carbon and hydrogen breaks and it will attach to here. Here what we can get R bond C double bond O bond H plus R dash bond OH. Okay, this is the first step of a Bouvaelt Blank reaction. We will move to the second step. Here the aldehyde will again react with this hydrogen and electron. So here we will get in the second step R bond C double bond O bond H which react with electron. Same reaction takes place. Bonds break. We will get R bond C bond O dot C dot bond H which again react with H plus to the oxygen. We will get R bond C bond OH bond H free radical which again react with the electron. We get R bond C bond OH negative bond H which again react with H plus. We get R bond C bond OH bond H bond H, or we can also write as R bond C H2 bond OH which is the primary alcohol. This is the mechanism of Bouvaelt Blank reduction.